Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. She had an allergic reaction and her head got really squishy.
Oh my!
Don't worry, the flamingo was okay. It was the last day of work for this McDonald's employee, so he decided to go take a bath. Dad was absolutely terrified of what might be in his box.
Ah! There was something hairy! They moved! Okay, I know what it is.
What is it?
A potato.
Oh my god, he's got a knife!
These people wanted to quickly leave a crowded parking lot, so their friend put on a safety vest and pretended that he was directing traffic. The movement of this ride is preventing his drink from spilling. This soldier went around and asked everyone why they joined the army.
Why you joined the army?
I don't know.
Why you joined the army?
$20,000 bonus that I never received.
Why I joined the army?
Yeah.
Buy me a Camaro.
To lead soldiers like heroes.
That is so good.
This guy put a bag of donuts on a fishing pole in front of these cops.
That chocolate!
This is what it looks like when an earthquake travels through a farm field. You can see exactly where the cracks in the earth take place. I just found out that this is how scallops swim. That is the end of this video, or we hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later.